Hey, I thought I'd shoot a quick video on two things I got off eBay real quick, because I looked to see if there was a YouTube on the things before I bought them, and I couldn't find any, so I figured I'd just shoot one. But I recently upgraded my multimeter, and I have the standard, the standard test leads they come with, which is the Fluke non-threaded. So I went on eBay, and they've got these. I'm going to put the two links in the description below. And I got these because these are for I've seen the ones for threaded where they just screw on. These are not them. And I really would have loved to have seen a video of them before I went and bought them. But I'm happy with the purchase, so I thought I'd make a video since no one's out there. It's this pretty durable hard plastic. And then if you're wondering how well it secures, give me a second and pull this thing out. If you look, this slides up into, on the one I did with black, just slides up in there, and as you can see, this just slides onto there. And I can't do it one-handed. Let me see. Kind of like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it won't. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And I can't get it to focus. There we go. It has a split in the metal where it just slides up in there, and it fits. And it fits pretty darn well. I'm very, very happy with these. They feel secured and everything else, and you can use them for anything that you would need to clamp them. Give me one that you would test for. Let's go direct current volt. Like if, I don't know, test this 9mm right here. You don't have to just sit there and hold it. Where's that LED? There we go, block that out. 8.888 volts. LED's messing with it here. 8.88 volts on that 9-volt, and Rayovacs. I mean, never buy those. Yeah, so I got those. Those were pretty cool, and they're cheap. Cheap, and they just snap on. I guess that's all you can do if you don't have the thread down at the base. Just get some based-on ones. But great for anything that you would need to clip on. The other thing I got was some leads altogether, which I'll use more than these, are these guys right here. And a lot of people have these. I've never had them before. I didn't even know they existed, so I'm pretty excited about them now. These little hook grabbers. Just a little hook that grabs onto stuff. So let's say if you had a capacitor, and you just wanted to grab onto the with a test lead, and you just grab it like that right there. And like I said, it's hard doing this stuff one-handed, and actually I got this backwards. Test lead right there, and then as you can see, just a little hook grab to show you it's 461 microfarads, 455, and it should be, I believe, 470. Yep, 470, 455. So it's within range. But that is just cool. I think that is just, I mean, for as far as grabbing onto, you know, whatever. Here's a 10 ohm resistor. Ugh, hang on, let's see if I can get one of these out of the bag. And you know, clip one of your leads on there. And having it on carpet probably isn't going to give you the best accuracy, but I get 10.2 ohms on a 10 ohm resistor. So I think they're pretty neat. Pretty neat. And the quality, these are cheap. They are, you're not going to be running, you know, you're not going to be running volt through these. You're only going to be testing with these for damn sure. Because, I don't know. I imagine if I was to cut this open, it'd be hair thin. But yeah, for what they are, and for I think these are $3 or something like that. I'll put it down in the link. Genius, genius. I like them. I think I'm gonna get some more. I think I'm gonna get some with these, with not just banana clips, but these on both ends, because you could easily take. Let's say if you had your test lead here, you could easily, if one side was that, clip on to your test lead, and then just use the other side, you know, to extend them out. Or you can use the banana ones, whatever, either way. But this way you wouldn't have to unplug your, I hate unplugging my leads and switching my test leads. This way you wouldn't, you just have a set with either dual, and it actually gives you a little bit further of a length. Because that is, yeah, that just secures right on there. I mean, you got this, you don't want to have this interfering, you know, getting grounded out or something like that, interfering. But yeah, no, that's, I like them. I like both. Okay.